Ashley from WTI, and this is the ZORVEM ghillie suit for kids, for youths, and this is so cute. So we got this because my son wanted one to match his dad, and they play outside in the yard a lot. They play hide and seek, and this is perfect for that. I really like this suit because it has a drawstring around the waist, so even if it's a little big, you can go ahead and cinch it. It also has elastic on the ankle bands, so again, it's not going to be dragging on their sneakers. I also like that it has a zip up for the jacket, and it also has a cinch for the hood part of it. So this is easy to put on, it's easy to remove, and I really like it because it really works. My son and husband will be hiding in the backyard, and you really can't see them when they're in the bushes. So this is just so much fun. It's breathable, so certainly they can use their pants and shirt underneath, and that's not going to be a problem. And I would highly recommend this for your child if you're looking for something. If you're looking for a ghillie suit, this is great. But that's just my point of view.